So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Meta glasses are just not recording videos inside of them. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main thing to keep in mind here is that as you're going through and you're using your Meta glasses, it's really important to understand that you might have that privacy LED blocked. So whenever you go through and try to record on your Meta glasses and it doesn't seem like it's recording, you want to make sure you don't have that little privacy LED on the side of your glasses blocked or taped or covered or anything like that. Meta has a feature now where if you try to hide that you're recording, it's not going to allow you to actually record there. So keep that in mind. If it looks like that's kind of the problem here, then that's going to be the main thing you're going to have to kind of remember here. So just make sure that that's not the case. Now you also might want to disable your wear detection. So sometimes the proximity sensors on the bridge and the nose get confused by hair, sweat, or a loose fit. So you can open up the Meta application, go into Meta View, go inside of your settings, go inside of your glasses, then general, and toggle the wear detection to off. So that also is going to be another really easy thing you can kind of do there as well. And that should hopefully end up fixing it for a lot of people too. Now, if that's not working, you might want to just try powering off your Meta, glasses, giving it a moment, and then powering them back on. That can also be another really easy thing you can do as well. And that right there can be something that might end up fixing this problem as well. That's another really easy thing. Try giving that a try. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. And you might also have to go through and maybe have to update your, glasses. So try going through, try updating your glasses for the most part, and that should hopefully end up fixing the problem for you as well. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.